Here, I write some commonly used refrigerant and their application. These are most commonly used refrigerant. They are commonly used in our life. That is R11, R12, R22, NH3, CO2, brine, and the air. R11 used in large centralized air conditioning unit means R11 be used in large halls, cinema halls, and large space where we require more amount of cooling. R112 domestic refrigerator and water cooler. R112 but to be used in our water cooler and the domestic refrigerator. And the third one is R22. R22 be used in window air conditioning. All the window air conditioning commonly used R22, but we preferring in present time R134 for this purpose because in this chlorine element which is depletes the ozone layer, so we are replacing with this eco-friendly. So in place of these refrigerant we are preferring eco-friendly refrigerant. R22 we used in window air conditioning, NH3 used in ice plant or cold storage plant because latent heat of vaporization of NH3 is highest in most commonly used refrigerant. The value of latent heat of vaporization is highest for water is 2261 kilojoule per kg, but water is not commonly used refrigerant. So we prefer NH3 for ice plant and cold storage. CO2 direct contact freezing of food. We use CO2 for direct contact freezing of food because the triple point pressure of solid CO2 is 5 bar, but we use this at 1 atm so that the supplementation of CO2 takes place, so there is no water molecule present in this CO2. It is directly supplementation takes place of the CO2, so we prefer for direct contact freezing of food. Next one is brine. We use brine in middle chilling plant, and the last one is air. Air we used in gas liquefaction plant, and second one is aircraft refrigeration. We prefer air for aircraft refrigeration because pattern weight of air is minimum in all refrigerant, because in aircraft our first purpose is to reduce the weight, so we prefer air for aircraft refrigeration because the weight of air is minimum in all commonly used or all refrigerant, so we prefer air for this purpose. So these are most commonly used refrigerant and these are their application. So this is about refrigerant and their application. Thank you.